Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will guide you through how to install R, RStudio and RTools in Windows. Let us begin with installing R. First, let us download R. It's showing the 4.3.1 is the latest version as of now. Let's go and download it. I'm just installing here, pressing yes. Okay. I'm giving the default folder here. I'm not changing anything here as of now. I'm selecting everything. Please, do you want to customize startup options? Currently, I don't want anything customization. I am going with the defaults. Start menu folder, let it be there. Desktop shortcut, let it be there. Okay, next. It is done. Now let us download RStudio. RStudio has been renamed to Posit, it seems. Here is the link for RStudio. Now I am going to install RStudio. Yes. I'm just leaving the defaults as it is. I'm not changing anything. If you want, you can change the defaults as per your requirement. It is done. The third one we should install is RTools. We have installed RStudio 4.3. R is 4.3. So accordingly, we have to install the similar version. I am downloading this installer. Now let us install our tools also. It's fine. Go and install. Been completed. Now let us open RStudio. It's asking some configurations. I'm selecting 64-bit version of R. I'm selecting no. I don't want to report any logs as of now. If I want, I can enable in later. Let us check whether what are all the versions we have installed in West. Go to tools and global options. Here we will see the which version of R is installed in our system currently. Ensure that it is the latest version. With this, we have concluded installing R, RStudio and RTools. In the next video, I will guide you how to install a key libraries in RStudio. Until then, stay data driven.